When you're drawing a tree, you need to measure the height, the width, where the foliage starts. You measure height, width, foliage on the paper. It doesn't matter what the subject is. The same basic drawing skills apply. Looking at is shapes. You don't have labels for them. You don't start calling them roofs or, architectural details of things. Or you don't even think of them as being buildings. They're just shapes. We're just trying to get the proportions and the sizes of the shapes into the right place on the paper. So if you let go of the idea that buildings are complicated and all of that stuff, they're just shapes. And whether you're drawing a beautiful yacht on the ocean compared to this beautiful scene here, it's exactly the same skill that you use to transfer that image onto your paper. Once I realised that, I realised, I can draw cars. If you've ever tried to draw a car and make it look not stupid, when I first started drawing, I could not draw cars because my brain was getting in the way all the time. But when you just break it down to simple shapes and you get your proportions right, it's a piece of pie. You just forget about the fact that it's a C-A-R and just look at it as a shape, and it's got darks and lights, it's got tones and proportions, and you just get that same, it doesn't matter if it's a flower or a car, you just use the same tools to get it onto paper.